Known for its rich history and natural beauty, Latvia is a small country but worth visiting. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the things to know before you go to Latvia. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, let's look at the best time to visit. Summer offers warm weather, outdoor activities, festivals, and is the best time to enjoy the beaches here, especially along the Baltic Sea coast. Autumn offers stunning fall foliage and a peaceful atmosphere. There are a lot less visitors here at this time, and you can experience cooler weather, making it the ideal time to visit the forests and parks. Winter offers snowy landscapes and is a great time to enjoy the winter sports, as well as the Christmas markets and decorations in Riga. Spring is a great time for nature lovers who want to explore the countryside and visit the cultural sites with less visitors. Getting to Latvia is straightforward thanks to its location in Northern Europe. You can fly into the Riga International Airport with direct flights connecting you to major European cities like London, Berlin and Paris. You can catch an international train into Latvia from the nearby countries, including Belarus. International bus services are also available from neighbouring countries, including Estonia and Poland. It is also possible to drive into Latvia as it is easily accessible by car from neighbouring countries. Getting around Latvia is also relatively easy due to its compact size. There are plenty of buses that will get you between the cities and towns. These are reliable, frequent and affordable. When you're in the cities themselves, you can also use the local buses to get around. There are some trains, but they are slower but much more scenic and comfortable. You can choose to rent a car and drive around yourself, which is ideal for those exploring the more rural areas, national parks and beaches. Roads are generally in good condition, but be cautious in the winter due to the snow and ice. When planning your trip, it is important to know the typical prices. Hostel dorm beds begin at around 10 to 25 euros per night, more on that higher end in the busier places like Riga. Mid-range rooms begin at around 60 euros a night and often include breakfast, whilst luxury hotel rooms begin at around 120 euros a night. You can get yourself a traditional Latvian meal from around 4 to 8 euros, whilst a 3-course meal for one will cost you between 15 to 25 euros in a mid-range restaurant. Visiting Latvia on a budget is incredibly possible due to its affordability and variety of low-cost options. Firstly, when you book those flights to the country, choose Ryanair or Wizz Air, which offer cheap flights to Riga from many European cities. If you choose to get a bus into the country, stick to companies like Lux Express or Ecolines, which offer affordable travel between neighbouring countries. When you are in the cities, make sure to use the buses or trams to get around, and consider the Riga card for unlimited travel on public transportation and discounts on attractions. We will leave the link to that in the description below. We also recommend visiting Riga Central Market to find fresh, affordable local produce and snacks. Latvia offers a mix of natural beauty, historic sites, and unique cultural experiences, so here are some of the best things to do. Firstly, start in Riga. This is one of the more popular places to visit. Known for its old town, you can stroll through the cobblestone streets filled with medieval buildings, churches and squares. Make sure to visit the cathedral here, as well as the House of the Blackheads and St. Peter's Church. Then you need to discover Latvia's castles. Rundale Palace, known as the Versailles of Latvia, is a Baroque masterpiece surrounded by manicured gardens. Taurida Castle is another popular option, known for its red brick design and breathtaking vistas. The country is also home to some beautiful national parks, with Gauja being the largest and oldest. This is the perfect place for hiking, canoeing and exploring the sandstone cliffs and caves. For those looking for some sun and sand, head to the beautiful beaches like the popular seaside resort of Jumala and immerse yourself in the Latvian culture at the Midsummer Festival. Try the traditional dishes like grey peas with bacon, smoked fish and rye bread, but also make sure to enjoy the Christmas markets and winter sports during the winter season. Watch this video to find out about the cheapest places to visit in Europe. Then to find out about the best summer destinations in Europe, watch this video. We hope you have an incredible time in the country and stay creative.